to infinity and beyond. Infinity doesn't always mean experiencing everything in the universe. Sometimes it means the way you see things, your strength to handle them, your ability to find joy in small moments. From now on, you must take good care of your toys, because if you don't, they'll find out.
Howdy, partner. My name's Sheriff Woody, but you can just call me Woody. Reach for the sky.
You are my favorite deputy.
My favorite deputy. But they'll pull my string. Yee-haw! Howdy, partner. My name's Sheriff Woody, but you can just call me Woody. Say, partner, what do you want to do today? Come on, let's have ourselves a rootin' tootin' good time. Oh, wait, that tickles. You know, you are one fun deputy. Okay, time for this here llama to take a little nap. See ya.
When you choose to be a good adventurer, when you move toward your dreams like Woody moved toward Andy, then everything becomes something greater, something like to infinity and beyond. Reach for the sky. Life can be unexpected, like a new kid in town, so open up to new possibilities. To continue to grow, we need to embrace the unknown, and some things are meant to happen. So do not forget that the only constant in life is change. Toy Stories Quotes.